My name is Ramachandran. I'm from Tamil Nadu, and I'm an English learner. I'm working in the software industry, and also I run a YouTube channel. I make conversational videos with people, and I upload them in my YouTube channel. I've been learning English for around 4.5 years now. Slowly improving. Yes, I do make a lot of mistakes, but still I'm trying to correct myself every time.
Okay, no, you are doing a good job. I have seen a couple of your videos and I really liked the way you interacted with people. So that is why I
Okay.
approached you because many of my viewers are your fans as well. So I thought let me
Okay.
connect with you because we should interact with people in our niche. So you work in IT industry.
Yes, ma'am. I've been working in the software industry for around 6 years.
Okay. IT jobs are quite hectic. How do you make time for YouTube channel as well?
Well, it's not really that hectic. I mean, maybe for beginners, for freshers, they feel the pressure in the first 1 or 2 years, but after that, you'll get used to it. You'll know how to get things done very easily and very quickly.
So earlier you used to do coding yourself. Now you lead a team of programmers, right?
No, no, I'm not a developer. I'm in the support field. So what I do is, so we do a little bit of coding, but not like a developer. So I mean, the developer develops a software and we actually repairs the software. If there is a problem with the software, we repair it.
Okay, you maintain it actually.
Yeah, probably you
Okay.
can say that.
I was a programmer, so the job was very hectic.
Oh, you worked in a software industry. You have the experience of IT.
Yes, yes.
Wow, that's cool. Like, were you a developer?
Yeah, I was a developer. I had done MCA, so I used to do coding in
Mm.
Visual Basic and all.
Oh, wow. So what programming language did you use those days?
Mostly Java and Visual Basic. I did programming
Mhm.
long back, then I left this job. Then
Mhm.
had my
You
children.
found your
And
passion.
I thought, I didn't think of going back to software industry because it was quite hectic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe for developers, it's different, I guess. I don't know. I've never been a developer, so I don't know.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So, while working in the IT industry, how did this thought come in your mind to start a YouTube channel and to work on your English?
Oh, yeah. Actually, English is something different. I didn't learn English just because of my YouTube channel. Actually, I've been learning English for a long time. It's my interest at the same time. For IT job also, English is required, right? So that's how I started. And then I always had this thing in my mind that I wanted to be a YouTuber, like a small YouTube channel I wanted to have for myself. And I tried different stuff. Initially, I thought of making politics or cinema, Bollywood related videos.
Mhm.
And then I realized, okay, a lot of people are there. It's oversaturated. You get videos almost every day. So I thought of being helpful or useful to people in somewhere, in somehow. So that's how, okay, we are learning English. Okay, let's post our English videos. Okay, let's talk about our journey. So that's how I started coming to this niche actually.
Okay. So you enjoy making these videos and you enjoy having conversations with people, or you think that, this channel is doing well, so I have to keep making videos. If I am not consistent, the channel will not work.
Well, enjoying is actually speaking. I really like my channel. I enjoy when the channel grows. But the thing is, you don't always enjoy your work. I mean, even if it is a thing that you really like, sometimes you get bored. Not sometimes, most of the times you get bored because you're repeatedly doing the same thing, right? So whatever that if you're doing something repeatedly, you'll get bored of it. Sometimes I also get bored, but so that is the reason I try to make videos once in 2 days or 3 days. And also nowadays, I'm focusing more on quality of the video. So I'm learning editing a little bit, and also I'm editing my videos and trying to do something like in the background. Also, you can see a little bit changes are there.
Yes,
So
yes.
I enjoy those things, but making videos every day, it's really not possible. I don't enjoy that. If I do something repeatedly for a long time, I don't enjoy it.
Yes,
But
you are
that's how
right.
you have to grow, right? You have to
Right.
find the right balance.
Correct. So today, if I love
Yeah.
dancing or singing and I make it my profession, then I don't think I will enjoy doing it. When we do something for yourself and for fun, then it gives a different feeling. When it is for work, then it is completely different.
Yeah. And one more thing is like maybe I'm already employed, so that's the reason I'm feeling the pressure. If I'm not employed, I would do YouTube. I would explore a different aspect of YouTube, different niches of YouTube. I
Hmm.
would do YouTube pretty well. I can tell you that. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I also like interacting with people, but I would still say that yes, at the end of the day, it is a job that I have to get done. So it is a chore.
Mm.
I can say that I had to show up at 2:30. So I can't say I enjoy doing it all the time. We can't enjoy something we are supposed to do every day.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Repeated task you cannot enjoy for a long time. That's for sure.
correct, correct. So people
That's
say
why
that,
you have to reinvent something
yes.
interesting. You have to find it always.
Yes. So people say that you should find your profession in something which you really enjoy, which you really love. I think that also becomes boring after a while, becomes monotonous.
Yeah. I'll tell you one example. We all know superstar Rajnikant, right?
We all
Yeah.
know.
Superstar Rajnikant.
Yes, yes, we do.
Rajnikant, you know Rajnikant? Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, he doesn't like acting.
Oh,
He wanted to quit acting long time ago, even
okay.
before the movie Baksha. I don't know whether you heard of this movie Baksha. It's a very old movie. It's a mega
Badsha.
hit movie for Baksha. Yeah.
Yes, yes, I
So
think
even
I've
before
watched
that
it.
movie was released, he wanted to quit acting. He wanted to become a sannyasi. He wanted to go to
Okay.
Himalayas because he's
Mm-hmm.
completely not interested in acting. It's because he's he felt it's boring for him. This is not what he wanted. But that's the one that he's doing actually really good. He's very good actor. He's created a name for himself in acting career, and over a long period of time, he's able to give good movies. So even if you are good in it, sometimes you get bored because you're doing it repeatedly.
Right. That's true.
Yeah.
So we watch Hindi cinema, but we are still big fans of Rajnikant and the way he,
Okay.
wears his goggles. I think you must also have tried it. Everyone has done it, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
I've
Okay.
done that. I've done the cigarette popping as well. When I
Okay.
was in college, we used to smoke, college guys, most of the time they smoke, right? So I tried doing the cigarette popping and all those stuff. Nowadays, I don't do that.
Hmm. So you have been watching
Yeah.
South Indian movies. Your mother tongue is Telugu, right?
No, ma'am, my mother tongue is Tamil.
Oh my God, I get confused always that whose mother
Yeah.
tongue is Telugu and whose mother tongue is Tamil. Telugu is, I think, then
Okay.
it's Andhra Pradesh's mother tongue, right?
Yeah, it's Andhra and Telangana, two states.
Okay.
They speak Telugu.
So yours is
And
Telugu.
here, no, mine is Tamil, Tamil Nadu.
Yours is Tamil.
Again, you're confused. Yeah.
Okay, I'm getting confused again. So you have been
Yeah.
watching Tamil movies since childhood?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tamil movies and English movies. I got so lucky because mostly in Tamil Nadu, I would tell you one thing. Those days when we watch English movies, those times the English channels they don't have the censor option. So whenever they do mouth to mouth kisses, our parents wouldn't allow us to watch those movies. But somehow I got lucky. My father allowed me, so I watched English movies at a very young age. Like when I was studying fourth standard, fifth standard, that's the time I started watching English movies. I started with Jackie Chan's movies and then Hollywood movie, Bruce Lee movies. So that's how I started. So I got
Okay.
lucky. I mean, I got familiarized with English words at a very young age. But still, I was not speaking in English. I was studying in Tamil medium, as a matter
So
of
you
fact.
started consuming English content in childhood,
Even
school
if I
books.
didn't understand anything, I would still watch that movie because just I really like how they make movie and the fighting scenes and all those stuff.
Do you speak Hindi also?
No, ma'am, I don't speak Hindi.
Okay.
Actually speaking, I've never learned Hindi and I never watched many Hindi movies. I watched few Hindi movies.
Okay. Which
Very,
one did
very,
you like?
I don't know. Well, I like the one that I can. Okay, I can tell you this thing. Do you know the Kabhi Kushi Kabhi Gum?
Right, right. Yes, yes. It's a super
That's
hit
my
movie.
favorite. That's my all-time favorite. And then uh, this one, oh my God, I forgot that. Amir Khan's movie,
Dangal,
he
Three Idiots.
Dangal.
Dangal.
Yeah, Three Idiots also. That's a nice movie. And
Mhm.
we got a Tamil version of Three Idiots that
Hmm.
Vijay acted. Yeah, those are nice movies. I watched many movies in Hindi, but I forgot most of them because
Okay.
in my college days, the only thing that I did properly was watching movies and enjoying life. Other than studying, I did
Yes.
everything.
So when I was in college, we had just taken our exam. Bombay movie had released at that time. So we all rushed to
Okay.
watch that movie. I think that was dubbed in Hindi. So we got the dubbed version of it.
Oh, the
Was
dubbed
it a
version
South
of it.
Indian
I
movie,
think
Bombay with Arvind Swamy?
yes, yes, yes. That's Maniratnam's movie. I think it's one of his earliest movies, Bombay. It gave him a very huge hit. Okay, where did
Yes.
you study actually?
I studied in Shamlal College, Delhi University.
Delhi.
Yeah, Delhi.
Okay. Okay. I really don't know where you're from. Where are you from actually? I don't know much about
Okay.
you.
I am from Delhi. I was born and raised in Delhi, East Delhi area. Have you
Okay.
been to Delhi?
No, ma'am. Actually, I never been to Delhi. I've been
Okay.
to Delhi only once, and that too not. I didn't go to Delhi. Actually, I crossed the Delhi station. I
Hmm.
was in a train.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I am from Delhi and I am still living in Delhi.
Okay. So I have a question for you. So from software engineer to English trainer, how did this transition happen?
Okay. See, I was doing software development and I was happy with the job. Then, after a few years, I got very bored of it. Then, I thought of starting something different. Then, there was a newspaper article in which they were looking for telemarketing executive. You must be finding
Mhm.
it funny because I had done MCA. I was a good software developer. I was doing well, but I wasn't happy. I was not happy with it. So, I wanted to do something different. So,
Okay.
everybody said that you are uh, you know well educated in this field, you are MCA and you have been working in this field for so many years, now you're starting as a telemarketing executive. But I was happy doing that. Started
Okay.
doing that. Then I worked there for maybe 2 years. Then I got pregnant. Then I had my first child. Then I left my job. I don't know, all my priorities changed. I used to be a very ambitious girl, but I don't know,
Okay.
motherhood changes something in us. I don't know. Maybe it was God's plan.
Yeah, actually, that happens to most of the women who work in IT industry, ma'am. Many people, even my sister, also experiencing this. So they are really struggling. I can tell you, they are really struggling to do the job as well as taking care of their kids for
Right.
2, 3 years continuously. It's very difficult. Most of the people are quitting their job. My sister has decided to quit her job now.
Hmm. So
If she quits her job within 3 years, that's all. She will be out of market. She can never get that job back.
yeah, when us women go back after 2 3 years, they want to take us as freshers, which is so wrong.
Yeah. And even if you go back after 3 years, I don't think you will be able to focus on your work because 3 years gap is a lot. Even for
Hmm.
gents, also for normally anyone, 3 year after 3 years, you're coming and reading everything from the beginning. I don't think you will get the motivation to do it. So
Right.
the moment you quit your job, that's all. Your career is over as a software engineer or as an IT person. This thing I've been hearing from a lot of women who works in the IT industry, some of my colleagues, and finally this came to my sister, and now she has put on paper. She's doing her notice period now.
Okay. So she
Yeah.
had her baby recently?
Yeah, I mean, he's actually 1 year old.
Okay, okay.
She's been doing work from home and also taking care of him, but now he's grown up a little bit, like he's around 1.5 years, and he has become so naughty. Like he's always playful. He's running here and there. He falls down and he cries all the time. So she is not able to concentrate on her work because of him. So she decided, okay, let me quit the job and let me take care of him properly.
It gets difficult for ladies. I mean, they
Yeah,
also spend those many years studying and doing, practicing, doing jobs and everything, but their career comes to a standstill just after having kids. And,
yeah.
God also has given this responsibility to women. But if we go back after a few years, then, most of us don't get good jobs. And it is very difficult to go back to work also, leaving the kid behind.
Right. And a lot of people, they say women are doing successful in certain jobs. They are using them as motivation. But I can also tell you one thing, those women who are very successful in their jobs, I think they had sacrificed their family. Either they are
Correct.
unmarried or they did not much involved in their family. So that's how they can become successful. You cannot manage both. But it's
Right.
easier for men. I understand it's easier for men. For men, they really don't care about family. I mean,
Yes.
once they make money, that's all. Their job is done. I
Yes.
understand that it happens, but
Yes.
that's how it is. What we can do.
Hmm. Correct. For a few years we have to take care of our children. And if someone asks me, would I have liked growing up when my mother and father both were at work, I would also say no, I wanted her to be at home, at least my mother. I think children cannot grow in such a safe and loving environment if both parents are at work, isn't it?
Yeah, right. If both of them are in work, I will tell you one incident. This happened with my friend. My friend's mother and father, both of them, for a very long time, like around 15 to 20 years, they lived in Middle East.
Mhm.
And he was growing up, with his grandmother.
Okay.
And now he's completely lost the contact. I mean, contact in the sense he doesn't have any feeling for them now.
Oh,
Now they are, after 20 years they come back to India and they are all living together, they are all in the same house, they have become the parents, they have become the family, but he doesn't have any feeling. Like whatever they say, whatever they tell him, he doesn't care about that. He always does what he thinks what he thinks it's good. So his parents are actually complaining to me, like they are saying why he's not listening to me. It's because you
yes.
did this, for example, let me tell you, the very young age, right? From 0 to 20, that's the time parents are very much needed for a children, for a
Right.
child.
Right.
If they are not there at that time, then after the children is grown up, they really don't care about their parents because you were not there when I was growing up, right? That's
Correct.
the thinking they'll have.
Yes. In their
Yeah,
formation years, they want to see that who was with them. If their grandparents raised them, then they will only, care for them.
yeah, that's what.
Yeah.
If he now he is working in Bangalore, and whenever he
Mhm.
goes back to his hometown, he goes and sees only his grandma. He goes
Okay.
directly to his grandma's house. He doesn't go to his house.
Right.
So that's the practice. That's what he's been doing. And now suddenly the parents are expecting him to be his son. I don't think how it's going to work.
So whatever reasons his parents had, now this child can never, forgive them for not being there
Yeah,
in all his childhood years, because his childhood cannot
right.
come back.
Yeah, right, ma'am. So
Okay.
tell me, ma'am, like, how is this YouTube journey going on for you?
Yeah, it's doing good. It's been 4 years and now I'm loving it. I am quite dedicated towards it. Though it feels very good if I think that today I don't have any
Hmm.
sessions, it feels great, but still I am very dedicated and disciplined about my work. But yeah, off days, who doesn't like off days?
Yeah, I have a question for you. Like,
Mhm.
so you do take session, right? How many sessions do you take in a day?
People will laugh if I say 1 to 2 sessions, because they will think
One to
he
two
must be
sessions.
doing
Okay.
a lot of sessions. After 2 sessions, I get really exhausted.
Okay. Okay, I'm experiencing this problem recently. The thing is, I'm taking sessions once in 4 days or 5 days, and in those 4 days, I'll be fully concentrated on my work. I don't talk in English much, and that's the reason, I'm not able to talk in English. So every time, whenever I try to make session with anyone, I feel like I forgot my English. Do you also feel the same? Or
Yeah, no, I don't get out of touch, but yeah, it happens. If I don't take sessions for 2, 3 days, it feels like we naturally speak in Hindi because that is our mother tongue. Yeah, it does happen.
yeah,
At home, we speak Hindi. So, yeah.
okay.
But I was giving online sessions a few months back. Now,
Hmm.
I was thinking the other day that what am I doing it for? Am I really happy giving all those sessions? So, my inner voice said that you are just
Yeah.
supposed to work on your YouTube channel. Don't give tuitions. You are not happy. You believe it or not. And my daughter also used to say, Mom, why are you torturing yourself? You are not loving tutoring people. You just have sessions
Okay.
for your channel. Just keep it going. That is enough for you. So I discontinued all the tuitions and now I feel very happy. Now I have a little time for myself. So doing 1 to 2 sessions a day feels
Oh,
very good.